Welcome back. So, thought we would start with our first breaker that we've got in, which is the mk7 Fiesta. So first thing we're gonna do, gonna have a little look around it, see what's good, see what's not, see what's gonna be staying on there, going to scrap, and what we can get off to sell. So just a quick walk around, what we normally do when we first get a car in. Have a look what parts are good. Front bumpers normally sell on these. It has got a little bit of damage, it's had a bit of a repair. So we won't get the best price for it. Headlights need a good clean up, they should polish okay. We'll get them off. Got front panel, engines goosed, that's gone. No good. Got bonnets always sell. This wing's not the best, but it's not rotten. So again, we won't get the best price, but we will still be able to sell it. We've got the Fiesta ST 180 alloys. Mirrors always sell. Got door that's damaged, so that's no good. Might be able to sort the door handles. We've got the ST spoiler, Z-Tech S ST spoiler, and boot lid. We'll sell that either with or without the boot lid. Back bumpers normally sell, so we'll be getting that off. Again, door's not best. It's had some sort of a repair on that at some point. Another mirror. We've got a wing. Wing's rotten, so that's no good. And then inside, we've got Parrot Bluetooth kit with stereo. We've got the trims. Seats no good, so they won't be selling either. Got a few other trims in here that'll sell. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to jack it up, we're going to get the wheels off, and then that'll give us access to the bumpers, and we can start working on it. So now we've got the car jacked up, we've suddenly realised that I've left the batteries for the gun at another job, so it looks like we're going to have to go old school. So now we've got the car jacked up, we're going to start stripping the bodywork. We're going to start with the back bumper. As you see, we've already undone the two side bolts, and then the last one. We've got a couple of torque screws, you can see them, and then there's just a couple of clips underneath as well. I'm sure you can see them. So it turns out, as with most of these cars that have been a certain age, they've probably been crashed, repaired. So there's actually only one bolt in this front bumper on this side. Probably didn't need to remove the wing liner. And this is what I mean when I say about people repairing cars and not putting them back together. So we've got a bolt in there, got one at the top. I've got someone attempted to put a bolt in, the wrong one. So again, one at the top, but it's assembly.